A short little update on what I'm up to after I returned from my vacation from London, Malaysia, Guangzhou, China, to back here. I'm in a new studio and I want to give you a short tour, so let's get started. Here you can see the studio. Yes, you can see already the ceiling is not very high, 190 actually. So you see my hand here touching the ceiling. It's in a basement. It's a basement studio, but it's a lot larger than my last studio that was on the roof, under the roof directly. So I have a lot more space here. You have a nice little department for cutting my video. I have usually tablets, or plan to have tablets hooked here, cutting my video. A little of a small desk there, a printer. Sometimes you need to print something out. Don't know what to do with this here yet. It's currently, you see, some stuff that is just lying here and more stuff that has to go here. So I'm not sure what to do with this kind of corner, because it's like even getting a little bit more down here, because upstairs there's a stairs. So there's a little bit of tight space there, especially from the height perspective. Nice little couch to sit down and have some fun here. Then my tech shelf, as you see here, I have hooked my router on because I have to get the Wi-Fi from upstairs. So gladly, they had already some cables and some holes there that they used. So I could just get one cable down and hook it to the router. Some tech stuff, some smartphones that I have in my collection. Newer ones, older ones a little bit. Not all the ones, otherwise I can fill up the whole wall here. But some of them, and some headphones, headphone packaging, true wireless packagings and so on. You can see what I have here. Then I have a desk here. Actually, this is a desk that is currently borrowed from my wife because she's relocating her office. I'm not sure if I keep this L kind of shaped desk here. I have to see about that. Yeah, there's another desk that is plan B basically, because this desk here, I have two of them actually, and I can put them like this. It's a bit shorter as you see here, but it's also a bit, this depth is a bit longer than this one here. So I might change that in the future, and I might change other things here. Maybe the couch will go away and will be replaced by a smaller couch kind of to get more space, maybe get a new shelf and so on. But yeah, we have to see what the future will bring. But so you're staying informed, new studio here, and probably new videos coming from this studio here with lots more space that I can utilize for my videos.